I am Chef Dip's assistant today.
No, I'm not Dip.
Chef Dip's assistant today. And
No,
we just want to
I'm LeBron James. Today we're going to be today we're going to be making.
We're not making anything today, guys.
We are. We're making grilled cheese and pancakes tonight.
Look, today's episode is to talk about what?
Kitchens.
We're not talking about kitchen safety today.
Oh my God. Food safety.
Food safety is today's discussion item. We have 11 items on the table. However, they're going to be grouped into the 5 tips that we have for our fans today. Our first tip is about food storage. So look, guys, when you go to the...
I remember that. So we stored this because it has to be refrigerated. It restores an apple.
He's saying we have eggs here. We have butter. Those are things that have to be refrigerated.
And these are things that have to be refrigerated.
Absolutely. Your different produce.
These have to be, so this meat has to be, I didn't want, so this meat has to be not refrigerated. It has to be,
let us see your
freeze.
Frozen. It has to be frozen.
It's very hard.
It has to be frozen.
It has to be frozen.
So yeah, so some meats.
This has.
Let's take a pause real quick to explain the meat. So what Chef Dip just picked up was bacon.
I love bacon.
A lot of people love bacon. So bacon can be placed in the refrigerator, but it can also be frozen if you don't plan to cook it within so many days from purchasing it from the grocery store. So that's why he said it's hard. How come when we come home, we have to put these things away? Why do we have to do that?
Because mold can get on them.
You want to make sure that you have proper food storage based on the different types of food that you just brought home from the store. You want to make sure that you keep your own personal germs away from the food.
And keep your personal germs away from somebody else.
That is absolutely right. So what are ways we can do that? Show our fans what we have here.
We have gloves, a mask.
So you may put on plastic gloves, latex gloves.
May put on plastic mask.
Not a plastic mask. You may put on a face mask that is not made out of plastic, because you put plastic on your face, that could be very dangerous. You can suffocate. So you may...
So what's suffocate?
Where you can't breathe. But we're not talking about suffocation today. That's another safety thing. We're talking about food safety at this point. So this was part 1 of our episode on food safety. Please join Chef Dip and his assistant for part 2 on our YouTube channel at Spread the Dip.